Alright, so we are looking at making characters on a coordinate grid. So you're going to get a coordinate grid, and you're going to get a sheet of paper that has ordered pairs on it. What you're going to do is take each shape one at a time and connect all those ordered pairs in that order. So if we start with shape 1, this tells us to go to -3, 4. So on my graph, I'm going to start at the origin and go left 3 since it's negative, and up 4 since it's positive, and I'm going to put a dot right there. Okay, then I'm going to come over here and cross it off so that I know I'm done with it, and I don't accidentally forget where I am or anything. It's just the next number on my list. So the next one is -5, 4. So at the origin, that tells me to go left 5 and up 4, and then I put a dot. So my job is I'm going to connect these two ordered pairs. Then the next one tells me to go to -5, 2. So at the origin, go left 5 and up 2. Okay, so now I'm going to connect those two dots. And the last one, or the next one, is -3, 2. So at the origin, go left 3 and up 2. Okay, and then I'm going to connect those dots, cross it off, and the last one is -3, 4. Well, that's the one we already started with, so we're just closing up this shape. Okay, and we're done with shape 1. So when we move on to shape 2, we do not use any of the dots from shape 1. We're not connecting them, so it's its own shape. So I'm going to start off shape 2 at 3, 4. So at the origin, that tells me to go right 3 and up 4. That's where my first dot goes. I do not connect it to anything yet because it was the first one on that shape. So the next one tells me 5, 4. So I'm going to go right 5 and up 4. Now I can connect these two dots. Okay, next one is 5, 2. Connect those dots. Then it is 3, 2. Connect those dots. And then the last one is 3, 4. Okay, we're done with that shape. Alright, our last shape, we are going to start at -9, 2. So left 9, up 2. Our first dot. Again, this is a new shape, so I'm not connecting it to shape 1 or shape 2. Cross off that first one. And then I have -7, -3. So left 7, down 3. Okay, and then I'm going to connect to these two dots. And then I'm at -5, -6. Okay, connect these dots. And then it's 0, -6. So remember, 0 tells me I'm going left or right, none, but I am going down 6. Okay, connect these dots. My next one is at 5, 6, so to the right 5, down 6. Cross it off. Then I go to 7, -3, so right 7, down 3. Connect that one. And my last one is 9, 2. And I connect that. So I don't make a line going from 9, 2 to -9, 2 because there isn't a -9, 2 on my last number. So this is what we call an open shape, and that is okay. So as you can see, mine is a little bit sloppy here. We got some crooked lines. They're not connected the neatest, but I'm trying to use a mouse on the computer. And you are going to be doing this very nice and neat on your paper. Alright, you will be graded for your neatness on this, so take your time and enjoy.